Hi, I'm Mr. Kassin, and welcome to Week 3 Science Experiment. Today, we're making ice cream. Ice cream happens to be one of my favorite treats in this whole world, and I'm so glad I'm going to be able to show you how to make it very simply at home. First, you're going to need some milk. We have 2% here, but the better the fat content in the milk, the better your outcome will turn. Next, you're going to need some ice, some sugar, salt, just some table salt, vanilla extract, but we also have vanilla flavoring here because vanilla flavoring is $3 and this is $13, so you decide. Measuring cups and measuring spoons, 1 Ziploc bag, a quart sized, and 1 gallon sized Ziploc bag. But you may substitute the 1 gallon one for a container, a large container like this, because in the Ziploc bag, it's gonna get cold and you might need some like mittens or a towel. But with this, it keeps your hands nice and warm. So, and finally, sprinkles. First, we're gonna prepare what goes into the smaller bag. What we're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of sugar, a half cup of milk, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla flavoring. A little bit goes a long way here. And this bag is done. Seal it very well. Now for the larger container, like I said, you can either use a gallon bag or a big container. For this experiment, I'm gonna use the big container just because it shakes easier. So we're gonna take 4 cups of ice. I've already measured it inside this bag. But what you're gonna do is just take your 1 cup and scoop out 4 cups and put it in the container. Last, you're gonna need a half cup of salt to pour on top of the ice. The salt will make an icy slush that will keep it cold enough in the container to freeze the ingredients to make ice cream. Now that we have this container ready, we're gonna take our little container and put it inside of the big container and then seal it up very well. Now, we're gonna shake this for 5 minutes. This is gonna be a little louder in this container, but worth it. You can pass it to your family members if your arms get a little tired. And 5 minutes has finally gone by. And it was a great workout for today, seeing I'm not getting out of the house. And let's see what we got in here. As you can see, obviously the bag has salt on it, but it's okay if you rinse this off. I'm just gonna get right in there. Ooh. I brought a bowl and a spoon for eating. Let's dump it in. Wow. Let's see how it tastes. Oh! Just kidding, it's not that bad. It's actually really good. The only thing this thing is missing is some sprinkles. I have a variety pack, obviously. Let's go with the stars. And enjoy. So what did we learn today? We learned that you can take some simple household ingredients like milk, sugar, and a little bit of vanilla extract and combine that in a bag and put it inside another bag with some ice and salt, and you can make yourself some delicious ice cream. Thank you for watching this week's science experiment, and I really hope you enjoy your ice cream at home. And remember, don't do any of this without adult supervision.